Now, let's explore how to use the debug tool to create a test faster and more effectively. Currently, our test contains only two commands: a call to a component named setup, which configures the browser and initial settings, and a login command to access the application. When we click the build button, the test executes just like a regular run. However, instead of closing the browser at the end, it keeps the Appian application open, allowing you to continue working with it. When we return to test editing, we enter a debugging state that allows us to modify and run specific parts of the test using the same browser from the previous execution. For example, let's add a command to click on the insurances card and another to click the new car insurance button. After adding these commands, we click the play button on the command row from where we want to resume the test execution. This can even be a previously executed command. We can then see how the two new commands run in the Appian application. Another key feature of debug mode is the ability to freely interact with the browser while editing the test. This is particularly useful when, during test creation, we notice that a field entered on a previous screen is incorrect. Instead of rerunning the entire test to return to the current state with corrected data, which could take a long time depending on the test, we can simply switch back to the browser, correct the data instantly, and continue building the test. Additionally, since AAT understands Appian, we can examine the browser page to highlight Appian objects and view the commands available for those elements. By clicking the Examine button, we access the analysis options. For this demonstration, we'll specify that it should only display fields that can be populated. In the browser, the Appian elements are highlighted, and hovering over them displays the associated commands and the reference values of the objects. But there's more. By clicking on a command, it is automatically added to the test. This allows us to focus solely on entering the desired values in the fields. This functionality is especially helpful on pages with many fields to fill out, enabling us to build the test much faster with just a few clicks. Finally, if we run the new commands, we can see how the selected fields are populated in real time. Thanks to our debugging capabilities, we can run tests step by step, modify any part of the test, and rerun it without losing execution progress. We can also pause a test, interact with the Appian application at any moment, and then resume execution. Combine all of this with our Appian object detector, and you will see how AAT makes building tests faster and more efficient than ever. Thank you for watching.